I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay, let's make a metal piece. We'll put a nice bead roll on it. We'll do a little concave like we did there. What I tried the other day was kind of coming out and then going in and having it come straight out, and it didn't look good. It was, that's what we call when good ideas go bad. Put it together, take it apart, put it together, take it apart, put it together, take it apart.
What are you working on?
Huh?
What are you working on today?
I don't know. I made some kick panels, but I'm gonna redo them. It's not what we wanted.
What is a kick panel?
They go right in here.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to a different plan. We've been working on the front bumper brackets a lot. I think we have the bumper where we want it. I think we have the brackets made. Yeah, that's a challenging deal. So is the rear bumper. It's challenging as well. Because everything's custom now around the rear trunk and all that's, you know?
I didn't even think that there was going to be a rear bumper. I thought that the rear
bumper as well.
Trunk lid, fender, or whatever, I thought that that was going to be the bumper.
Nope.
Ew.
We've been fitting up a rear bumper as well. Yeah, it's a tricky car. Tricky car. We made brackets up here to hold this.
Oh, to hold the grill?
Yeah. And I don't know why they're not straight, but can you tell me why these brackets for the grill go like that and not perfectly straight with the core support? Is there a reason behind that, or?
Oh, we gotta bang them out right now. They're still loose.
Oh, okay.
We just bring out mock-up.
Looks like they're pretty much welded on there to me.
Yes and no.
Oh, okay. All right, okay.
You're worried too much right now. I thought
Okay. Man, it's such weird angles.
What happened to the original
Kick panels?
kick panel? Were they not there, or did you remove them because they were?
Probably went in the trash. It's totally different firewall, totally different angle, so nothing about it would work. And they're probably that terrible board all rotted and stuff, so. Yeah, usually when we pull a car apart, we just throw stuff like that in the trash. ¿Por qué? Why you remove the fender? Why are you taking this one off? Why don't you finish that one?
Finish what?
The other fender. Now we're gonna be tripping over two fenders.
Why?
Because they're huge and they're in the way. Oh, you're so weird. You see what I deal with on a daily basis? It's so bizarre.
I'm going with the process.
Oh, God.
I have a process. The thing is, I grabbed that fender because he was working on the brackets. Now I was going to start. I need to finish this side panel, this hood. It's nice. Put it on, take it off.
Put it on, take it off. Put it on, take it off. Put it on, take it off. Put it on, take it off.
That's what I don't want to do it anymore. I want to take it out and out. I have to finish the hood and the side panel.
But you finished the hood.
Don't you need? No.
Well, yeah, it is
Well, I
hammer
mean-
and dolly, but I need to put the brackets inside.
Oh.
And I have to take all these again. So I wanted to finish the side panel first. When everything is done, I can take it out easy. I can be playing out. I don't like that.
No playing in this shop.
I love playing.
Because that's, to fit those things, we have to take this out. To put the side panel, we have to take this on.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to do that anymore. It's too much for me. It's too high. Too high. See, if I put it right here, boys, I'm going to trip it. Only if it goes underneath and stuff. See, now I can work.
Work on what? You're gonna have to put it back to fit the inner fender up.
Need the fender? No. No, buddy.
Yes, Alex. When I first did the first cardboard templates, you know, and I
Yeah.
put them up here,
Yeah.
I ran the thing through, okay?
The
but
thing meaning...
the rod,
Okay.
the
The pull.
release rod,
Yeah.
and I had it straight, and then it went into here, so then the rod came straight out of that angle right here. But then I thought, it just didn't look right.
Got it.
Just, I was coming out into this space, which there's not too much space here
Yeah.
to begin with the air conditioner and all the other stuff.
it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make it give as much room as possible. Is basically what I'm doing. Just super simple, clean, simple. So when the bin comes out, it's just a straight shot. No playing, Alex.
He's my second wife. Always arguing.
And you know what? 90% of the time I'm right.
I'm like, oh, I'm gonna.
90% of the time I'm right.
And I can't.
So you are the wife.
I am the
You
wife.
are the woman.
I am the woman. Yeah. The wife is always right.
But I love my wife, you know.
Look at he's on camera. Which wife? Which one are you talking about?
Both of them. The one in the work is.
Looks good.
Hello.
You made it.
Duh. Yeah, I'm very strong. Don't you know who I am? Hi. Let's see how straight I am. Wow, it looks pretty damn straight. Holy crap. It's the eagle in my eye. You see it? So now, I have to make those pieces, you know, that I played with last week when we filmed. The little round things, yeah. I gotta make those again. Hey, Cholo, come here. Can you make me 2 more of these? Since you know how?
Yeah.
Huh?
2 more?
Yeah,
Same size?
same size, everything.
Are you trying to
Muy rápido. It's gonna go.
Oh, that's the side panel.
Yeah. So that'll go like that, and there'll be one here. See how I just got out of that? That's called passing the buck. Okay, there we go. All right, I think I'm good. And I went in, let's go in 6 inches. I mean 8. Just kidding. I'll just double check the other side because they're a little different. It's like the dash has some different bins in it and stuff.
Is there a reason why the trunk is open?
It's just airing out. Yeah, airing out.
Didn't know.
Well, that's another thing we're working on is covers, battery covers. That's really hard. This trunk is very, very... It's just so, the way the battery boxes turned out and the way they fit, and the way we wanted them to the way they actually are is, or had to be,
Yeah, different.
it's just so When you open the trunk, excuse me. When you open the trunk, all you want to see, hear the echo? Let me start from the top. When you open the trunk, all you want to see is like, you know, a trunk space. You don't want to see like weird shapes and covering stuff, so.
Yeah.
But I want to keep as much trunk space as possible. This one right here is really, it's tricky.
So what are you hoping to get accomplished today? Finished today? Or I should say
Well,
this week.
If I get these two tacked in here and this week, it's funny, we're accomplishing a lot. It just is so, it's just a million little tiny things, and you're trying different, like this bumper, you know? We're probably gonna make 20 different brackets, you know? Getting it to fit right, unless Bodhi's that good. Which it's looking like he is, maybe. So, I'm gonna get a drill. Oh, look at you, see? A lot quicker than that guy, Brian. Oh, shit. Yeah. Ah, man. Okay, so this wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. I guess it's no problem. I'm just going to have to bend this a little differently.